Hello guys, in this part we learn methods in C#. A method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a method. Methods are used to perform certain actions, and they are also known as functions. Why use methods? To reuse code. Define the code once and use it many times. Create a method. A method is defined with the name of the method, followed the parentheses. C# provides some predefined methods which you already are familiar with, such as main, but you can also create your own methods to perform certain actions. For example, void my method and parentheses and a code block, code to be executed. So my method is the name of the method, and void means that this method does not have return value. You will learn more about return values later in this chapter. Note, in C# it is good practice to start with uppercase letter when naming methods, as it makes the code easier to read. And call a method. To call or execute a method, write the method's name followed by two parentheses and semicolon. In this example, my method is used to print text when it is called. So, console.writeLine in method I just got executed, and call a method with my method and parentheses and semicolon. Control F5 and I just executed. And a method can be called multiple times. For example, my method and again my method. Control F5 and thread I just got executed.